Okay, let's start numerical 3.26. A particle moves under the influence of a central force directed toward a fixed origin. First part we have to find that explain why the particle angular momentum about a region is constant, and giving detailed argument of the particle orbit must lie in single planes containing. So first you have see the angular momentum, which is equal to this r multiply p, which is the cross product of two vectors, and the torque is actually equals to the rate of change of angular momentum. So further, the rate of change of angular momentum, which is equals to this, the cross product of the moment arm distance with force. Okay, so this is the torque actually. Okay, when we discuss about torque, this is the force of action, and this is the moment arm which shows with distance. So further, you can see that force is parallel to the distance. The cross product is obvious than zero. Okay, by parallel component. So these cross product of two components, two vector components, is the actually torque. So you can put torque instead of L multiply F. With no torque acting on the particle, its angular momentum on the particle about the origin is constant. Okay.